that still be nature if a meteorite came out of nowhere?
Yes.
Cosmic nature.
Cosmic.
But not Earth.
It also makes a cool noise. You suck at this. You gotta do it. You gotta stab it. It never fell.
What do you got to say about this Captain Crikey?
We're gonna kill Bigfoot when we find him, Mike. Right now, it's just Mike and Cal. We need a fire to survive the night. As you can see, the sun is setting down on us. I got my trusty stick here. In case Bigfoot comes, I'm gonna knock his dick off. Right now, all we need is just some good rest, Mike. Hi. What the fuck are you doing? I told you to watch the goddamn fucking fire. I hate this guy. I need a fucking smoke.
Your brother, here.